Nifty Gateway app. The pros, the cons. The Nifty Gateway app is a popular platform for buying, selling, and collecting limited edition NFTs. Most people get this wrong by assuming all NFT platforms are the same, but the surprising truth is that Nifty Gateway focuses on high-profile artists, exclusive drops, and easy fiat to NFT transactions. On the pros side, the app is beginner-friendly and supports credit card payments, making NFT buying simple without needing to hold cryptocurrency. It features exclusive drops from top digital artists, creating scarcity and high resale potential. Users benefit from a secure platform with two-factor authentication and custodial wallet options, which means you don't need to manage private keys if you don't want to. Nifty Gateway also provides a secondary marketplace for easy trading of purchased NFTs. On the cons side, fees can be higher than other NFT platforms, especially for secondary sales. Limited edition drops sell out quickly, making competition intense. Additionally, because it uses a custodial wallet, you don't have full control over your assets unless you choose to withdraw them to an external wallet. In conclusion, the Nifty Gateway app is perfect for collectors seeking exclusive, high-quality NFTs without the hassle of crypto management. While fees and limited availability are worth noting, its ease of use, secure platform, and access to top artists make it a strong choice for anyone entering the NFT space or looking for collectible digital art.